Here's Tower 3 World Trade Center. Yep, we have new steel beams being installed there, and the crane is being dismantled. I remember a long time ago, there were two cranes. One in the front and one in the back. I believe this one is being dismantled to reinstall it somewhere in the middle. Here's more of the mechanical cladding and vents, slowly moving their way back. As well as lobby glass. Yep, here's the new steel. Great to finally see some real work being done on Tower 3. Here's the transit hub. More steel plates. There are more on the other side as well, but I can't really see it. And there's Tower 2. Not seeing any work going on right now, but it's making progress. Yeah, new steel. Alright, I came back to do a quick check on my bike. I've been here for a while. Just didn't want to leave it locked up for too long. It looks like there's cladding starting on the south face. So there's a little bit of cladding now on the south face of One World Trade Center. Again, more progress. Good to see. So here's more lobby cladding glass for the base. Not a lot, but it's more than it was. Alright, I'm going to return back to Tower 3.
It's like 68.
Just wanted to do a quick check on my bike. It's been locked up there for a while. So I just wanted to do a check on that, and now I'm going to go back to Tower 3. Here's One World Trade Center. There's another small crane up there. That big crane should be coming down very soon. Here's Tower 2, 3, and the transit hub. Tower 2 still looks the same, nothing new. Transit hub is making progress, and Tower 3 is making progress. Looks like there's some welding going on Tower 3.
Even if you do,
I still don't see the machines that pour the concrete though. More glass for the lobby. All right, everybody. That's just about all the time I have for now, but I'm going to try and bring you some shots from later on. I'm going to be going over to Brooklyn, and I'll bring you a few night shots. 。 Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions, please ask. I will get back to you. Most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJ, the Amtrak guy. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'll see you when I get back from Florida.